In this video, we're going to talk about the lateral area and surface area of cones. A cone is basically a pyramid that is sitting on a circle. So when we calculate the lateral area here, we're going to use this formula, which says the lateral area, LA, is equal to the perimeter of the base times the slant length, which is what the L stands for, the slant height of the cone, all that divided by 2. So in this figure, to find the perimeter, we're looking at the perimeter of the base down here. And notice that the base is a circle. Well, the perimeter of a circle is equal to its circumference. And remember that the circumference of a circle, C, is equal to 2 pi r. So we can see that the lateral area should be equal to equals 2 pi r, which is the perimeter or the circumference, times this value L out here. And we're going to divide that by 2. Well, notice you have a 2 on top and a 2 on the bottom, so those will cancel out. So this simplifies to the formula, which is pi r L. So if I know the radius of the circle at the bottom of the base and the slant height of the cone itself, L, I can find the lateral area. So let's do this example and find the lateral area. And again, remember, the lateral area is equal to pi r L. So if we know the radius and if we know the slant height, we can go ahead and plug into the formula. So here I have a cone, and I can see that my slant height already, L, is equal to 17 meters. That means all I need to do is find R to find the lateral area. Well, they give me this height of the cone, and that's 15 meters. And I see that R is from the center to here. And that's unknown. But this is a right triangle. And in this right triangle, we're given the hypotenuse and one leg. If I know two sides of a right triangle, I can always find the third side by using the Pythagorean theorem. And the Pythagorean theorem says that a squared plus b squared equals c squared. And in this case, replacing the variables with their actual values, I see that 15 squared plus b is actually your radius. Your b squared is actually going to be your r squared or your radius squared. That's equal to 17 squared. 15 squared is 15 times 15, which is 225, plus r squared. That's equal to 17 squared is 289. I'm going to subtract 225 on both sides to get r squared by itself. And when I do that, I get r squared is equal to 64. Take the square root of both sides, and I get r equals 8. So I know that this radius now is just 8 meters. And now I can use my lateral area formula, which says pi times r times L. Well, pi times r times L. And if I want an exact answer, and I multiply 8 times 17, I get 136. So the lateral area exact answer would be 136 pi. I can convert this to an approximate answer by letting pi be 3.14 and multiplying that by 136. And if I do that, I get 427. So the approximate answer, that means approximately 427.04. And remember, because it's area, this is meters squared.